Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what many consider the best penguin backpack for girls. The KOWVOWZ Kawaii Frog Large Novelty Backpack, featuring a cute and funny penguin design. This backpack isn't just adorable, it's designed with functionality and durability in mind, making it a perfect choice for students, teens, and anyone who loves a playful yet practical backpack. The KOWVOWZ backpack measures 13 by 6 by 17 inches, making it spacious enough to hold books, laptops, and everyday essentials without being bulky. With a total capacity of 17 liters, it strikes the perfect balance between size and storage. Whether you're heading to junior high, high school, or college, this backpack is tailored to meet your needs. Beyond school, it's also a great companion for hiking, camping, vacations, or any outdoor activities. One of the standout features of this backpack is its construction. Made from high-quality nylon fabric, it is wear-resistant and spray water protected. This means it can handle light rain or drizzles without soaking your belongings, thanks to the water-repellent coating. The material is also odorless and environmentally friendly, which makes it safe and comfortable to use daily. The shoulder straps are designed for comfort and support, allowing you to carry the backpack for extended periods without strain. It's lightweight, weighing just under 12 ounces, so you don't have to worry about extra weight when packing your items. The novelty penguin design adds a unique, fun vibe, making this backpack a conversation starter wherever you go. This backpack also fits laptops, which is a major plus for students or professionals who need to carry their devices safely. It's built for durability, so whether you're carrying textbooks, gadgets, or accessories, this bag can keep up with your daily routine. While it's crafted primarily for girls, teens, and women, its playful design appeals to anyone who enjoys kawaii-style accessories. It's ideal for those who want to stand out with a cute yet practical bag. The brand, KOWVOWZ, offers customer service to help with any questions or issues, ensuring you have support before and after your purchase. Overall, the KOWVOWZ Kawaii Frog Large Novelty Backpack in the penguin design blends charm, functionality, and durability. It's a versatile backpack for school, travel, and leisure, wrapped up in an irresistibly cute package. If you're searching for a reliable backpack that makes a style statement while being practical, this penguin backpack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.